is Ketut Mardewi. I'm from 9A. So, today I will make onion ring and I want to tell you all how to make it. Let's check it out. The ingredients are onions, a pinch of salt, pepper powder, flavoring, and flour. First, peel the onions. Second, cut the onions. Next, mix the pepper powder, flavoring, pinch of salt, and flour. And then add the water. Next, dip the onion into the wet flour and then into the dry flour. And then fry until golden brown. Finally, the onion rings are ready to be enjoyed. That's all.